And let me show you some interesting examples. So this is the funny part. So we have an autoencoder, again, like something similar to what I showed in the last slide. And your input was images, which are of shape 28 cross 28. And now in this particular example, what we are showing you, we are trying to compress this to just 2 different values. In the previous, we were trying to compress into 10 different values, but instead of 10, we are compressing just to 2 values. Okay, so that's like a lot of compression. And now let's see like what autoencoder can give you. The top row is your original image. Okay, and then you train your autoencoder using these images where the latent code is just 2 values. And the second row is actually showing you the reconstructed images. So you'll be amazed by like just 2 values are actually capturing all the information you have, let's say for this shoe, and it's able to reconstruct it. Okay, these are like 28 cross 28 pixels, which means like just 2 values are sufficient. And in this case, you can see like the shape is completely preserved by just using 2 numbers. And you can see the fine details are gone, right? This is like a very complex logo, but when you can't save that logo in just 2 numbers, so that's completely gone. So those fine level details, even here, you can see like they're completely gone, but the overall structure is still preserved in most of these cases. Okay, so I think that's really interesting. And if you compare that with like PCA reconstruction, which we were discussing in one of the earlier lecture, again, this is not so bad because 2 numbers is like pretty high compression, right? But still it's doing a fine job, but not as good as your autoencoder reconstruction. Okay, so that's like one way to see how powerful these autoencoders can be.